पणजे पार्किंगाची समस्या तकली वयर काडीत आसा. सध्या पणजे लोकोत्सवात लोकांची गिट्टी पडल्या, पूण लोकां परस गाडयो चड. कशा कशेंय पार्किंग, ताका लागून जावपी ब्लॉकिंग हो प्रश्न सुटावो करपा खातीर येरादारी पुलिसांची बरीच धांवपळ चल्ल्या. पळयात ट्रॅफिकाची अवतिकाय दाखयता आमचो रिपोर्टर विन्संट रोजारियो.
03X0400 कदंबा रस्त्यार पाड आसा पळय सायडीक काड.
यात आमी आसा कांपालार नियर कला अकॅडमी आनी हिंगा लोक उत्सव चालू आहा आनी लोक उत्सव हिंगा इव्हेंट आतां चालू आहा 2-3 दीस जाले. पूण हिंगा लोक अशे आमचे हेका विजिटिंगाक येता, हिंगा पळोवपाक येता, विजीट करपाक. सो तो लोक इतलो हिंगा लेजी जाल्लो आसा, वो लॉ ब्रेक कोत्ता आनी तेणे आपणाचे व्हेकलां इदर 2 व्हिलर वो 4 व्हिलर फुटपाथीचेर पार्क केल्या. एज पर द मोटर व्हेकल एक्ट ह्याच्या प्रमाणे तेणे हिंगा पार्क करूंक जायना. पूण तरी आसतना हिंगा लोकांनी इतल्यो 50-100 व्हेकल्स हिंगा 2 व्हिलर्स फुटपाथीचेर पार्क केल्ले आसा, हे तुमी पळोवपाक शकता. आतां हिंगा ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांनी फॉर गूड वील बरे भाशेन तांकां सांगून ते आतां ताका हिंगा काडपाक लायता, कित्याक हिचो फुटपाथ आनी लोकांक चलपाक वचपाक तिका एक्सेस सामकी आसपाक जाय म्हूण. पूण तरी आसतना आनी तर जरी तर अशेंच लोकांक तर ट्रॅफिक सेलान तर तालाव दिवपाक लागत, फायन दिवपाक लागले जाय जाल्यार वयल्यान मागीर लोक हेजो वयल्यान ट्रॅफिक सेलाचो हिंगा गुन्यांव करतले. सो त्या पासत आयज ते हिंगा तेणी ड्रायव्ह केल्लो आहा बरे भाशेन लोकांक सांगपाक आनी बरे भाशेन तांकां व्हेकल काडपाक इदर 2 व्हिलर वो 4 व्हिलर, कित्याक इज कम्प्लिटली ब्रेकिंग द लॉ ऑफ मोटर व्हेकल एक्ट. आनी हे हिंगा लोकांक सगळ्यांक त्रास पडटा. पूण तेणी हिंगा पार्किंग लोक उत्सवान पार्किंग हिंगा दिलेलें आहा तांकां एका फुटबॉल हेचेर ग्रावंडाचेर फुडें तिका ग्रावंड आहा, सो ती स्पेस दवरलेली आहा तांकां पार्क करपाक. पूण तरी आसतना हिंगा सदांच जायते इव्हेंट जाता आसतना दुसऱ्या लोकांक कोण वयता पळय तांकां त्रास जाता. हिंगा पार्किंग अशें फुटपाथीचेर करून इदर 2 व्हिलर वो 4 व्हिलर इज एगेन्स्ट द मोटर व्हेकल एक्ट. सो कबीर आतां हिंगा आतां पळय लोक उत्सव इज गोईंग ऑन हियर. So and the traffic is getting so much jam over here, congested, and the people are parking their vehicle on the footpath. So what is your suggestion about the traffic over here to control, and how is the event over here given the permission in heart of the city like?
See, I have raised this issue continuously several times at the corporation meetings. Lok Utsav is a wonderful festival and it is growing in numbers. My humble suggestion and request is to look at an alternative location for Lok Utsav, because thousands of people are thronging this venue. They are parking on the main road, DB road, they are parking on the footpaths, they are parking in the bylanes going to the different colonies, and basically wherever available spot they get, they are parking, clogging the entire traffic of DB road. So you're getting clogged at Miramar, you're getting clogged at Kampal, you're getting clogged up to Panjim. Now just think of it, if there is an emergency in any of these areas, I mean it's impossible to reach either for the fire brigade or for the ambulances or anything. I give my 100% thanks and this to the traffic police led by PI Chetan. He and his team, they respond immediately. They are trying their level best, but they are not magicians to just make the roads clear and the things to get cleared all of a sudden. They have apparently demarcated some part of DB ground. Go down to DB ground. DB ground is entirely full with stalls. Where is the parking? And they are saying there is some parking on SAG ground over there. People are grumbling and saying, why should we park at SAG ground? We will park outside here and go. Is that the way you organize a festival? I mean, these are the things that need to be taken in consideration. Your parking plan, your traffic plan, and all these things that to be taken. Your garbage plan. I mean, you cannot live like this for 10 days of the year with this kind of noise pollution, stress. All the time somebody is coming, blocking your entrances. The full this thing. Smart city roads, half are dug up and are closed in the city. That load is coming over here. All this needs to be moved out of the city. Nobody is saying cancel them. Nobody is saying scrap them. Please have them on a bigger scale, but have them outside the city.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्संट रोझारियो, डायलन रॉड्रिक्स, समृता खडगांवकर आनी मुझेफ शेख.